Welcome to Hagen's. Here's how to interchange the jaw on the Hagen's rotary fly tying vise. We're going to loosen up the set screws on the back. Then using that wrench, it should just be able to push out that pin nice and simple there. Slide out the old jaw and replace it with your mid jaw. Once you get that pin back in there, just retighten the set screws with your Allen wrench and you're good to go again. And that's how you change the jaws on the Hagen's rotary fly tying vise. Thanks again for watching.